Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. No, I am not trying to scare you with this. I am just going to be filming a makeup challenge video after this. So, hence the blank canvas. But anyway, thank you so much for being here. Welcome if you are new. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do makeup hauls, we do makeup challenges, collabs, live streams. We have a great time here and it would mean a lot if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're already here. Just go ahead and smash it and become a part of our YouTube family. Guys, today we are going to be unboxing our January 2020 BoxyCharm Premium. So I'm so excited. If you do not know, BoxyCharm has a newer subscription. I believe it came out October, November, and it is $35 a month and you receive 6 to 7 full-size items for $35 a month. And you are able, as with the base box and Luxe, to choose one of the items in this box. So I love that. All right, so we're gonna get in here and see what I got for January 2020. So I will put a link down below if you have not signed up for BoxyCharm and you would like to. That link will be below. So definitely recommend it. If you're looking to build up your makeup collection, BoxyCharm honestly is the way to go. Just saying. So the premium box is blue inside, very pretty. And we have our card, and the theme this month is Breaking the Ice. And I have variation 35 right there. So let's peel back the foam and see what we get. Obviously, one of the items I know because I chose, but the others I don't. All right, so first thing catching my eye is this right here. This is from Kat Von D. This is, oh, it's a single eyeshadow in Lolita. You can see Kat Von D right there. So there is that. Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow. Kat Von D's eyeshadow is triple milled and insanely pigmented in her signature matte eyeshadow formula for a soft, seamless blend every time. Rock a rosy eye and top it off with a Lolita lip for the ultimate monochromatic look. And this is $19. Now, I will go ahead and put this to the side for a future giveaway because I just don't reach for single shadows. So one of you guys will hopefully enjoy this. I do think that is going to be a very pretty color and will work well with many, many skin tones. So hopefully one of you guys will be very happy to have that. All right, and then from Farsali, we have Liquid Glass Radiant Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. A hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow. With hyaluronic acid to plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it can be used as a hydrating skincare serum or as a radiance boosting primer before makeup. And this is $54. I like that it's a multi-use product. So you could use it as a serum, you could use it as essentially a glow enhancing type primer. And it even has like a little safety seal, which I am actually shocked and impressed by considering it came in a box. I really do like that. So shake it but here is, it's very nice. It's almost like I can see like something inside, like, I don't know, like little swirls or something. So let's see what this looks like on the skin. That's why. I hope it shows up for you guys. I don't know that it's going to, but it almost has like a holographic. There are super, super, super fine little sparkles and shiny things happening there. Okay, so it is completely rubbed into my skin. And can you see this right here, how shiny it is compared to this. And this is completely rubbed in, but it has like this sheen to it. So I mean, I don't know how well on camera it's picking up, but I can totally see a difference on my hand. That is awesome. I'm excited about that. All right. Then we have, this is from $1 Billion Brows, the best brow kit ever. Ever? And this is transform your brows with these essential brow products. Use the Universal Brow Pencil to sculpt your desired look. With the Brow Duo Pencil, highlight the brow bone for an instant lift and define with the concealer above the brow. Blend, highlight, conceal with the smudge brush for a flawless finish. Complete with a coat of brow gel for an all-day lasting hold. $42. $42. Now, I have and love this brow pencil. That is the brow pencil I use every day. I really don't know how much use. Let's see. Yeah. So I have this brow pencil here. It has a spoolie on the end and it's retractable, and it is, in my opinion, a really good shade. When they call it universal, I do think for a lot of people it will work. Now, if you have really, 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 really dark or really, 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 really light hair, it may not work. But if you're in the middle, it's gonna work. So there's that. And then here we have a clear brow gel. So, I mean, we know what that is. And this is the smudge brush they were talking about. Right there. And then here is the Brow Duo pencil. So this end is like a highlight. I probably should have not done it so like, bam. I don't know. Anyway, so that's the highlight, right? It's the highlight end. Yeah. And then this is the conceal blend end, I mean. So you can see that to clean up your brows and then whatnot. So, woo. So yeah, so there is that kit. I will try this, but I can already tell you I have from Thrive Cosmetics kind of like a highlight stick like this, and I absolutely love it. I actually have a backup, and so when the first one that I have that I use all the time runs out, I will have another one to go to. So this, from at least the little swatch, isn't going to be as good as that Thrive Cosmetics, but I'll still give it a try. So there's that guy. Then we have from Bliss a Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. Ooh, the box is neat. Can you guys see? I don't think you can. It's like raised up. So let's see what it says about this. This silky souffle mask, aerated with a combination of powerful clays, deeply cleanses skin and minimizes the look of pores without leaving it dry or tight. $18. I do love products from Bliss. Oh, that's interesting packaging. It almost looks like it is a can, but it almost looks like a dry shampoo or something. I may or may not put this in a giveaway. I don't know. I've wanted, and I've said that in 2020, I want to start using more masks like this. I mean, I have a ton of sheet masks, but I do want to start using more masks like this. This one has me intrigued, so I may hold on to this, but for now, it's going to go back in the box, and we'll just wait and see. And then this is from Skin Fix. Let's see, this is the Barrier Plus Foaming Oil Cleanser. This was a 2018 Best of Beauty Award winner for Allure. Foaming Oil Cleanser is the ultimate daily face wash, approved by derms and adored by beauty editors. A hydrating, creamy oil that lightly foams to wash away dirt and makeup without stripping your precious lipids. Gentle coconut-derived cleansers do the work to clear excess oil, makeup, and dirt, while skin-similar good fats, squalene, jojoba, and macadamia oil help leave your lipids in even better shape than they found them. $28. And again, the packaging. That is so different, but tested and recommended by unbiased derms. Sulfate-free hydrating wash. It's cruelty-free. This luxurious creamy foam gently washes away dirt and makeup with sulfate-free coconut-derived cleansers, leaving skin hydrated, soft, and supple. Okay, so a face wash. And then, oh, they've got like cardboard in there to raise it up. The last product is the one I chose, and that is the Palm Springs Dreams. It says Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette from Too Faced. Yes, look at that. Woo. All right, and this says, where's it at? Make it a girl's trip to remember with this Palm Springs Dreams inspired palette of fresh cocktail colors and dazzling party-ready finishes. Extreme color payoff in one swipe formula, and this is $45. So there is the palette, and there you can see it says Palm Springs Dreams. I don't know. And then it looks like we got some peaches. Peaches. Okay, now this, y'all, I knew this was gonna be pretty, right? It smells kind of like coconut. You know, Too Faced usually they smell, so that's why I stuck my face in it. And it almost was a little like coconut. Oh my gosh, the names I'm kind of glancing at, they're cracking me up. So we have Kabama Time, Saucy and Bossy, TFTI. I don't know what that is. Let me know if you know. BYOB, I know what that is. Rum Tiki, Swizzle Stick, Last Call, She's Lit, Dirty Martini, Buzzkill, Mocktail, and Swank. But it has a really nice size mirror. I mean, it's almost the entire size of the palette. But you guys look. Aren't they so pretty? And the combination of mattes to shimmers. If you've been with me, you know I love when we have like an equal number of shimmers and mattes because I do love my shimmers. And this is just, I could make so many looks with this palette. I think this is so pretty. To only be 12 colors, I can like just look and I'm like, oh, I see a look, I see a look, I see a look, I see a look. Like, it is so, so gorgeous. And I'm so excited to have this to add to my collection. I love Too Faced, you guys know this. And yes, so we got the palette, we got the Oil to Foam face wash, we got the Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. We got the Kat Von D Lolita single eyeshadow. Like I said, this will be going to a future giveaway. And the Farsali Liquid Glass. This again could be used as a skin serum or as a primer. And the Billion Dollar Brows Best of Kit, or whatever. What was it called? Best Brow Kit. Duh. So that is everything that I got in my January 2020 BoxyCharm Premium. I will put the total value right down here across the bottom of the screen for you guys. Let me know what you got in your Boxy Premium if you do receive it. Are you on the wait list? Are you thinking about it? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and be on the lookout for that makeup challenge video. It's going to be interesting. I hope again that you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.